Good morning, I am Elizabeth and I want to talk to you about Fangmotor Farms meat rubs. These are going to be the perfect gift for dad if he loves to cook, grill, or smoke any type of meats or vegetables. We're going to talk about here the melting pot, which is so rich, a little bit of spicy and sassy, but just really warm. And the ingredients are oregano, cumin, curry, mint, thyme, parsley, sea salt, pepper, and cinnamon. It's really delicious, everyone. And I wanted to share this one with you first because it's really great on any type of vegetables mixed into your rice. Put it into butter, put it on your bread, mix it into pasta, but you also can put it on varieties of meats and vegetables. Everyone wants to see what they're going to be getting when they purchase, right? This is our melting pot meat rub. It is 2 ounces of organic gardened herbs, specially blended here on our farm. So I wanted to show you how big of a bag that you get for $8.99 of our melting pot meat rub. So let's switch gears to the Fab Flava. This is one of my absolute favorites. We're gonna go over the ingredients with you. So oregano, basil, thyme, sage, rosemary, parsley, sea salt, black pepper, and lavender. How delicious. It's in my hand right now and it smells delightful. So this is what you will be getting in these bags. This is 2 ounces of organically garden herbs blended into just absolute fabulous flavor. Our organic garden herbs are really potent, so you only need a little bit to go a long way. Remember when mom told you that?